Let's check out this Dash hot air popcorn popper. I'll show you how it works, and I'll share a simple tip to help your seasoning stick to the popcorn. No spray required. This Dash popcorn popper can make up to 16 cups of popcorn in one batch. It also includes a measuring cup for the kernels, which doubles as a butter melter to drizzle over your popcorn when it's done. To use it, fill the measuring cup with kernels and pour them into the popping chamber. It's easier to do this with the popcorn guide detached. Now here's a simple way to make your popcorn seasoning stick without using sprays. After the popcorn is popped, cover the bowl with a plate for about 2 minutes. The escaping steam will be trapped, making the popcorn slightly sticky, helping the seasoning adhere when you apply it. Now, if you found this video helpful, please smash the like button so more people will have a chance to see it. Thanks for watching.